Hello, our topic is use of songs in second language learning to acquire vocabulary. Well, we have two variables. The independent variable is use of songs and the dependent is vocabulary. Our research question is, does the use of songs help second language learners to acquire new vocabulary? And the hypothesis is that the use of songs will help English second language learners to acquire new vocabulary.
Okay, we have our context. It takes place at the Universidad Juárez Autónoma de Tabasco, and the populations are going to be the students of the degree in foreign language. And this study will take a sample of 60 students who are taking English at the UJAT.
Well, the instruments that we select are two, the observation and the test. The observation is the event sampling, and we are going to use it to identify if there is an improvement with the use of songs. And the event sampling will help with the group that uses songs, and researchers will mark every action that the teacher does while he uses songs in the class, and also while he does the activities. And the test will help to know how much the students learn through the class and how much vocabulary they acquire. And also we are going to use the scoring method dichotomous.
The first instrument will be an observation event sampling. It will allow the observers to record events quickly by using tally marks. And according to Dornay, this method provides an accurate description of the total frequency of the events or procedures observed. In this case, we are going to observe the total frequency of the use of songs. And also the scheme of Noonan will help us to record when the teachers implements the songs and what they do or what activities they are going to use with the students. And this scheme will have 10 statements, and the observers will mark when every event occurs. And also we are going to have in the chart 3 columns. The first it's with the statements or events. The second column will have the tally marks, and finally the last column will have the total of the tally marks. And here we have the sample.
Well, the second instrument is a test with short answer questions, and CARB describes in tests of grammar or vocabulary, they can force students to produce the correct forms, not merely recognize them. So in this case, vocabulary is the dependent variable of the study, and the objective of the research is focused on performance, so the tests are the best option as the instrument of research. The test will be applied to 60 English students of the 5th semester of the language degree at the Universidad Juárez Autónoma de Tabasco, and these groups are going to be divided into two. And the questions will be divided into parts. The first part will contain 10 items in which students have to complete sentences with the words from the box. And the second part will also have 10 items, and the students will have the instruction to translate some words that they heard from the song into Spanish. And according to CAR, the scoring method will be dichotomous because the questions will be scored as incorrect or correct. And this is the example of the instrument. And thank you for your attention.